There is a lot to like about green goddess dressing. Loads of fresh herbs, garlic, and rich mayonnaise. It's a loud, tangy dressing with just as splashy an origin story, although in recent years, a bit of controversy has also been revealed in that story. Celebrated actor George Arliss stayed at the Palace Hotel while appearing in his play, The Green Goddess, a play that is now seen as racially insensitive. Palace chef Philip Romer created a special salad dressing in honor of Arliss and the play. Some sources claim that Romer took his inspiration from a French sauce served to King Louis XIII. The dressing remained popular after the touring company moved on, and over the years, cookbook authors and chefs created their own versions. James Beard included an adaptation in American Cookery that featured tarragon, anchovies, chives, and scallions. Other adaptations included sour cream. And in the 1970s, avocado was a popular addition. At Cook's Country, we saw the potential in the dressing's vibrant flavors as a marinade and a sauce.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.